everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I'm going to use this gorgeous quilt-like paper from the Paige Evans Horizon collection. That paper is from the project pad, but I also know it's paper number 12 because I looked it up. And I used a piece of that green paper there, which is from Horizon. That's paper number 10. And I'm going to use that I used it to map my photo there. And that really will help the photo pop off the quilted paper because it is so very busy. You have to be careful about that when you use something really busy, right? And then underneath I have that kind of orchid color paper, and that is Paige Evans, it's Paige Evans paper from the project pad. I didn't think so. I was reading my notes and that didn't look right. So it's from the project pad. And then I have that little acrylic piece that says Sassy Lassy. That is from Cheeky Studio, which Tuesday is no longer selling product, but I bought that a while ago and just never used it because I knew my granddaughter was going to have to be sassy with all of those brothers. I did grab this little scrap of pink paper because I thought it would really help the Sassy Lassy stand out and also have your eye focus on something else. And then I'm adding in, besides that, I'm thinking about using this floral paper. So the pink paper there is Horizon. It's paper number 2. And then the floral paper is from, oh my goodness, I can't talk tonight. Or it's tonight for me anyway. The floral paper is from Paige Evans Bloom Street, and that's paper number 23. So I really like how that all goes together, and it gives you a really good place for your eye to rest amongst all of that detail of the background. All right, so now I've got that kind of figured it out here where I want the Sassy Lassy to go. Now this piece is like a it's a happiness, it says happiness on it, and it's a cut apart, and I think that is from the Horizon collection, but I've cut them all apart, so I don't know that any longer for sure, but I'm pretty sure they are. But there's a cut apart paper in that collection, or the one it was from was a cut apart paper, but I think it was, because a lot of the other words on those are travel words, or things that you can use for travel words anyway. All right, so I have my photo cluster down here now, and I'm just loving how that looks on top of that paper. It's very busy, but because of all the white, you don't really see the busyness of it. Now I have the cut apart from the Horizon Collection 6x8 pad, and I really like those hearts. I love how it brings all the colors in, so I'm kind of playing around with that, but I wasn't loving it up on the top. It felt like it was sticking out. So I'm toying with that. I'm toying with that sticker from the Horizon sticker sheet, but none of that is feeling right now. So then I found this floral word, and this is from the project pad, the sticker sheet from the project pad. So it's very thin, and the word says grateful. But as I'm playing with this, I realize it's really thin, but more importantly, it's blending right into the background there. And unfortunately, I tried to put it back on there, but it at some point it popped off and ripped. So I will never be able to use that word, but it's a nice thing. And I thought it would be nice on this layout because they are very grateful for each other. So I'm still using that piece from the project pad, or the project pad stickers for the Horizon project pad. And so that's where the vase is coming from. And then I'm thinking about that. I'm just kind of trying to find florals that I think will work with this, because there are florals in it, but I need something other than the one. And there's a big space right now on next to Lassy, and I'm not loving it. So I'm going to play around with this a little bit here. It just feels weird because the other flowers are in a vase and now these are not. So I'm kind of having a problem with that in my head. So now I think, oh, wait, I could put that floral cluster up there, and I found a moth, which is from the Horizon stickers, which are different from the Project Pad stickers. So now I'm looking for other things that I can fill in, and I have gone to the Horizon ephemera pack, and I find that heart, which I like. And it says favorite place. Well, anywhere Grandpa is her favorite place for sure. And then there was another one with like a globe theme to it. Okay, so now I'm going to play around a little bit with these floral die cuts from, I believe that is also from the Horizon collection. I know it's not Bloom Street, so I'm pretty sure that's Horizon, but I didn't find anything that I thought would work. I'm going to play around with this little piece of a journaling spot for a little bit here. Did find another moth there that I liked. So then I found these two tags, and I'm thinking, well, that could be a nice backing there. But then maybe what I want to do is add it in a tag behind each of the clusters. And then I'm thinking about using, like, could use this window piece or this door piece and just do the window, because you won't know, you know, kind of making the making it work, the embellishment work for you versus the other way. Okay, see, I'm just having a little bit of a hard time finding the right thing. Okay, so I have decided that I like the tags behind them. And so I'll add these pieces in, and then I'm playing around a little bit for what colors I want to go behind where. And the thing with that is I like the green tag behind that, but there's already that really dark green in the base there, and your eye just goes right to that cluster because there's so much of it. So what I did is I'm going to switch the tags here, put the green behind the top cluster, and then the pink behind the bottom cluster. And that way then it's a little bit more spread out, so your eye isn't going right to that. And I forgot, I'm kind of looking, I'm still not loving that floral sticker up there. So I go through and I find my whimsical sticker book, and I found that floral piece right there. And I actually like that a lot better. I think it's a little bit bigger, and that's why I liked it. It's bringing in some of the corally color. There certainly were enough colors to work with here. And now that I have the coral color up there, then this moth over here makes a lot more sense because I'm echoing the color on both sides there. All right, so just getting that in. I'm going to add some miscellaneous or some twine from We Are Memory Keepers, the So Easy floss there. And there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well. I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.